Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password on Australian Super account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in australiansuper.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Australian Super account like you normally do. After you are logged into your account, from the main homepage, click on your profile picture or your profile name at the top right corner. Now click on Manage Login. This will then open up the login details page where you can easily manage your login credentials. To change your login password, click the Edit button right next to Password and then make sure to verify your contact information by clicking on Send Code. You will now receive an SMS code to the registered mobile number. Once you receive it, type in the code and click Continue. On the next page, enter your new password you would like to change to for your Australian Super account, and after making the change, click on Save and you will then be able to change your password on Australian Super. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.